Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your course inside Beacons AI. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you attach a PDF or a download to your course in Beacons AI? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a PDF or a downloadable document to your course in Beacons AI? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that sometimes you need to have a document to download for your students, whether it's a recipe or whether it's certain codes. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Beacons AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've opened up my Beacons account and this is the home screen. Now here in the home screen, if you want to add a downloadable document into one of your courses, you need to click on products here on the left. It looks like a price tag. Once you do that, you want to scroll through until you see the course that you're going to add the PDF to. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, you'll see this pop on the right and click on edit product details. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu at the top. There's 5 options, but click on course setup. Okay, so here we are, guys. So in order to add a PDF, it's going to be handled in the lesson. So if you saw from my other video, this is set up in modules. So for example, this module is Chinese restaurant. This one's Mexican restaurant. And where you can add a PDF is going to be on the lesson level. So about Chinese restaurants, we talk about chow mein and fried rice. So let's say that maybe I want to add a chow mein recipe list via PDF, a downloadable PDF. We're going to click here on chow mein. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be inside that one particular lesson. And in order to add a PDF, here on the right side, you're going to click on content. Once you do that, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see this right here, downloadable files. And then you're going to go ahead and upload the document from your computer by clicking here. Okay, now it's uploading. Okay, so a quick second later, you can see it right here. So we had this PDF here, but now we just added this new PNG file right here. So this could be PNG or it could be PDF. And that way, whoever shows up in this particular lesson, they're going to be able to click on these downloads and download these documents that are in reference to this particular course. Now, don't forget to click on next here on the top right. Okay, skip that. Okay, now it brings me here to the home screen. So let's go ahead and go back here to our course, edit product details, course setup. Okay, now if we go into chow mein once again, there you go. You see the downloadable document right here in the Beacons AI lesson. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a PDF or some sort of downloadable document into your course in Beacons AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.